So here, with adding 1/4 and 5/6, the key is to find out how many parts we can divide each of the fourths and each of the sixths into, so that we have two equivalent fractions with the same denominator. To do that, we look at the multiples of 4 and 6, because these are the denominators. So the first multiple is 4 and 6. The second multiple of 4 is 8. The second multiple of 6 is 12. The third multiple of 4 is 12, whereas the third multiple of 6 is 18. Now already you see that we have two 12s, which are the lowest common multiples of 4. Now this means that if you break 4 into 3 parts, you end up with 12 total parts. So 4 times 3 gives you 12, and 1 times 3 gives you 3. With the sixes, you notice that the second multiple gives you 12. This means by breaking each of the 6 parts into 2, I end up with 12 parts. And so this means I have to break up each of the 5 parts into 2, and that gives me 10 parts. Okay, so visually, this means taking each of the quarters here, dividing them into 3 parts. And for the sixes, we divide each of them into 2 parts. And you notice that the parts actually match. So 1/4 becomes 3 out of 12, 5/6 becomes 10 out of 12, and you add them together.